Good morning, class. You know very well that yesterday we started the topic essay writing, and in essay writing, we have discussed how to write an essay, and we have discussed some points also regarding that. And they were that first of all, we have to collect all the ideas that are in our mind on a page or where the topic you are going to write down. Then arrange the points in the form of different groups and each group dealing with the similar points. Then after that we have to prepare an outline of these groups under these headings: introduction, body and conclusion. Then we have to write short paragraph on each of the following points. And we have to use suitable words, phrases or even sentences to connect the different paragraph. Then we have to start the essay in an interesting way, and we should take care of the spellings and rules of the grammar. So it was done yesterday, and today we are going to discuss some unsolved essay. See, it is the exercise. See number 1 here. Here are 22 sentences comprising an essay entitled My Neighbors. The first sentence of each paragraph is written against it. Complete each paragraph with the help of the remaining 17 sentences. My immediate neighbor are the Kapoors. The boy, who is 13 years old, is my age and we study together. This is second para. Then third para, the Kapoors are very cooperative. Fourth para, the Kapoors are very courteous. And fifth para, we are lucky to have the Kapoors as our neighbors. So in this way we have to frame small 5 paragraphs. And the remaining sentences we wish them well. This saves us from worrying about the safety of our belongings. Mr. Kapoor, aged 48, is employed as a superintendent in a local firm. So in this way there are many informations are given here, and on the basis of those information we have to make our essay. See on the next page also many information are given about them, and I hope after reading those information you are able to write. They are a very nice couple. We are the best of friends. We have never heard them quarrel. When we meet them in the morning, they try to be the first to greet us. We spend our evenings together. The girls are aged 10 and 7 and go to different schools. If a member of our family falls ill, they never miss to inquire after his or her health. So in this way we can complete our essay after using all these hints. Now see the second one. Write an essay on a railway journey with the help of the following outlines. Living at Kalka, invitation from uncle to spend a few days at Shimla. Parents, younger sister and I reach the station. Father buys ticket, come to the platform, train in time and get comfortable seats. Okay, the train starts, other members engage themselves in conversation. I look out to enjoy different scenes. Different stations, we reach Solan. Tea and snacks. The train starts after 15 minutes. The speed slows down, passes through several tunnels. We reach Shimla, leaving behind all heat. Uncle receives, drives at home. So in this way the help is given, the outlines are given, and on the basis of these outlines we can frame our essay. Similarly, it is the third one. Write an essay on a hockey match keeping in mind the following questions. Means questions are given and we have to write the answer of these questions, just as when and where the match played. The match was played on Sunday in Subhas Stadium or in any, we can say, on the school grounds. What were the names of the team? It was played between Rishikul Vidyapith and one another school you can take. Were they equally strong? We have to talk about the teams. Whether the teams were equally strong? Yes, definitely. Did they attract a large number of spectators? Means how many persons were there, how many boys or girls were there to watch the match? How did the two teams fare during the first half? Means how they played. We have to explain all these things. How did they fare during the second half? How did they play during the second half? Who won? We have to tell the name of the winning team. Definitely our team. Or did the match end in a draw? Did the losing team accept defeat gracefully? Whosoever the team was the losing, how he accepted the defeat? Did the spectators enjoy the match? So answering all these questions, we have to frame our essay. Okay. Now come to the next. See here on the top. Write an essay on the scene at a bus stand including the following phrases. You may use additional phrase but let your composition be lively. A busy and a crowded place. Queues of passengers. Increasing traveling public. Tea, snacks and cold drinks. Newspaper journals and books. Booking and inquiry window. So in this way we have to use all the points that are given here and we have to frame our essay. So I think you get my point. Whatever points are given here, with the help of those phrases we have to complete our essay. And similarly the last one, that is, here is an incomplete essay on the value of games. Complete it by adding a few sentences to the paragraphs other than the first and the seventh. Right? Games play an important role in our life. They are useful to us in many ways. So in first para, we have to tell the importance of games. Then games keeps our body fit and healthy. In second para, games are good for our mental growth. Games combine recreation with exercise. Games help the people to get good jobs. Games bring us name and fame. However, games must be played in their true spirit. We should always remember the Olympic motto. The important thing is not the winning, but the participation. We may win the game, we may lose, but what is important? It is important to participate in the games because they are very beneficial for our health, for our body. Some additional exercises are also given. A visit to a hospital, the prize giving function at which you participated, a bus accident, a visit to an exhibition, who serves better, a teacher or a doctor, the coldest day of the season, a marriage procession, memories of your childhood, and the last is a scene at the railway platform. So in this way we can arrange our ideas in a proper way and we can write the essay very easily. So it's all for today. Bye students.